Have you been challenged to keep up with and have a presence on all the major social and search platforms? Although you do need to have a presence on all the major platforms, if for no other reason than to drive traffic to your primary conversion channel, for your marketing campaigns to be as successful as possible, you'll want to be directing a majority of your marketing efforts to the primary channel that best aligns with your ideal customer demographic. Now, generational demographics are the key to doing this successfully. Today, I'm going to show you how to use generational demographic trends to narrow down your marketing efforts to a primary social channel, sometimes it's two, allowing you to focus your marketing efforts on the channel most aligned to your target customers and most likely to bring you initial sales and repeating sales. Generational demographics are the key to choosing the right platform and getting the highest conversion ratios for your marketing efforts. Today, we'll show you how to choose which social search channel based on generational demographics is the best marketing option for your business. Great brands understand their customers and the kind of content they crave and inspire. Understand who your target demographic is and build a trusted relationship with them. It's key to building your tribe. Demographics can help you pick the social media spokes you wish to target that will allow you to grow your web traffic. I get it. When you're setting up your retail shop, taking time to understand how social networks can drive traffic to your site is sometimes an afterthought. With so many social platforms that are changing almost daily, it can be daunting. And with a little bit of homework and research, you can get a long way. Remember, the big box stores are in rapid decline. And what many people are not realizing is that these new hub and spoke models are the new high-end shopping malls of today. But which social channels should you focus on first? This is where demographics come into play. That you understand who your target demographic is. A great book to help you do this is Boom, Bust, and Echo by David Foote. It's a great starting point to understanding how generational demographics affect everything. It's a great read and a good starting point for understanding how you can structure your site to target your ideal demographic. I highly recommend that you give it a read, and I've included a link in the comment section below so that you can read through this as time allows. In general, the different social networks align to different demographics. Facebook has the largest demographic coverage. It was the first mainstream social network. Pretty much everyone has a Facebook account, but it's becoming cluttered, and the younger generations are not using it as their primary social channel, but as a secondary channel to keep up with family and relatives for the most part. Whereas a network like Instagram is very visual and targeted towards a younger demographic, roughly males and females in the 18 to 35 age bracket, although other demographics do use Instagram and it's growing rapidly. And other social networks target different demographic groups. You need to learn these demographic trends and keep up with them to be a successful social marketer. Looking at Pinterest, the Pinterest demographic in the past has shown to favor females in the 25 to 46 year age bracket. This was the case a few years ago, and although the age range has not shifted largely, we are seeing a larger amount of males beginning to use the Pinterest platform. I can clearly see this in some of our barbecue boards and landscaping boards, where if you go into the detailed analytics, you can actually see a closer to 50% mix of males and females. So although Pinterest in the past had been largely skewed towards the female demographic, that is rapidly changing. You need to define and understand your target demographic. Great brands understand their customers and the kind of content they crave and inspire. Understand who your target demographic is and build a trusted relationship with them. It's key to building your tribe. A great book that speaks to building this type of trusted tribe is Tribes by Seth Godin. This book transformed the way I have built my social network. Should you want to fully unlock the power of your tribe, I have included a link to Seth's book below. Remember, a trusted tribe is key to success. If they trust you and want to come back, you have integrated them into your tribe. If you have inspired them into action or made them care, they will be valued and returning customers, allowing you to gain a strategic, long-term competitive advantage. In closing, we are seeing the merger of social and search, not just on Pinterest, but on Google, YouTube, and Facebook. The question is, can Google and Pinterest become Facebook before Facebook can become them? It's the classic Netflix, HBO battle in another domain. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, share, and comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you want to see more great social marketing videos like this one, subscribe to our channel below, as we'll have a new video every week that deals with marketing topics in the social media age. I'm Duncan Gillis from Maritime Vintage, saying good night, stay safe, and watch out for those Cape Breton mountain chickens. I can only dream of a Pinterest project that